So I've got a video about redecorating our dining room. So we bought some grey paint from Lakeland, and I think this is eco-friendly, no toxins in it, so it's quite good for your lungs, which we could all use in the current climate. So I'm going to show you the paints and all the features of them and the price and everything, so you know what to get if you wanted to do the same.
Disappear for good. I wanna tear myself apart and create something new. Oh, just
so as you can see here, we've bought one in cottage greys, which is the one that's going to go in the dining room, and the Delavine, I don't know how to pronounce that, is going to go in the other side of the kitchen on another day.
oh, leave me alone. I can't leave on.
So we were quite surprised with these paints. As you can see, they are VOC free, non-toxic and odourless, and they're made with like mineral pigments. So we were really surprised that it didn't smell of anything, and we could walk around in the room, and we could probably sleep in the room just after we've been painted. So that's a plus. But what I will say is they are more expensive than if you were going to buy Dulux. So it will be £61 for 5 litres. If you were to buy something like Dulux, I looked online and like a matte grey would be around £30, so this is double that. But we thought we're quite environmentally friendly in this house and we don't really want those toxins on our walls, so this works really well for us and we didn't mind the splurge as long as it was, you know, good quality paint, which it is.
Disappear for good. I wanna tear myself apart and create something new. Oh, just leave me be the way I.
As you can see, we're just clearing out the room, ready for the painting. So we've got to take all the things out of the shelves. I've got all of my dad's whiskey collection, quite like that at the moment. And I just really love this bottle. It's like a rum bottle, but it looks like, you know, something you would send a message in the sea. So that was quite cute.
I just wanna be da 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 da. 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 I just wanna leave everything behind and disappear for good.
And here's me trying to convince my mum to help me with the table.
Single moment and not torture me. It's just been too long, I cannot remember how I even looked. I need to learn how to cherish and love my little self.
So I'm just taking everything out of this glass cabinet and I'm going to move it over to the other side so we can clear it. And I just wanted to show you, this is something my brother painted. It's really good, of all our pets. And then, yes, so I'm going to try and start moving this thing. And we actually found something pretty disgusting behind this cabinet. It was actually loads of spiders. It was like a spider's lair. So we'll clear that up. just going to give this a quick clear out because it doesn't look very nice. Like, everything is in the wrong place, and we don't actually use these books a lot, so I'm going to change it up. We use the games quite a lot, so I'm going to make this into a little games area, and hopefully it'll look a lot better once I'm finished. Here I'm just showing you some of the books that I want to read. So I've got the Productivity Ninja. I didn't like that, the Subtle Art blah 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 book. I feel like it was a bit waffly, so maybe not a recommendation on that one. But the other ones I'm dying to read. So I found this amongst all of our things, and it's a guide to all of the birds in our area. So I thought I'd hang that up, well, put that up with blue tack, because my mum was quite into that stuff and it's quite a good find. You can see we've got the mammals in our area, so might as well display it if we have it. Now I'm going to move on to taping around these shelves, what do you call them? Yeah, windowsills, so that we can paint the windowsill. My mum's going to do that with the with just a white paint that we have, and then I'm going to do the seam tape around the skirting boards.
You make me wanting and searching for something that I roses. All I can see through the mirrors, nothing but big old crap. Oh, I hate what I'm seeing. I just wanna run, disappear for good. I wanna tear myself apart and create something new. Oh, just leave me be the way I always was. Oh, just let me be. I can't bear hating me. Oh, leave me alone. I can't leave on like this. I need to learn how to cherish and love my little self. I just wanna be. Hey, 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 I just wanna be. I just wanna be. Hey, hey.
So you'll see in a minute that I run out of masking tape, so we have ordered some more in, but as I've said before in my previous videos, you can't really do much without the masking tape, as it just takes so much longer to paint everything and you have to be really precise. So we're going to wait for some more masking tape. So now moving on to this glass shelving unit, I'm just going to put everything back into it, give it a good wipe down and make sure that everything's off the table so we can start painting. And I was just showing you there what product I was using. We refilled our fill bottle with 70% alcohol, so that's what I'm using.
The way I always was. Oh, just let me be.
So here I'm just showing you where we've got to so far. We don't have any tape at the moment, so I'm just going to do a bit of patching up and seeing what it will look like, but we are waiting for some more tape and we'll use that at a later date.
I just wanna be. Da 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 da. I just wanna be. Da 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 da. I just wanna be. Da 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 da. I just wanna be. Da 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 da. I just wanna leave everything behind and disappear for good. Can't look at myself for a single moment and not torture me. It's just been too long, I cannot remember how I even looked. I need to learn how to cherish and love my little self.
I've done all the dusting and preparing, I'm going to fill in the wall and the bits that I can do without tape. So I wish I was actually this fast at painting the walls, but I've sped it up for you. Here's the wall looking a bit more finished, and we have tape now, which is a good thing, so I can go to the edges, which is quite good. And me and my dad have put up that architrave, so it's looking a bit more finished, and I'm just taking you around the room and showing you the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this different video of just how you can revamp a room really easily, cheaply and quickly. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys!